YouTube, what is going on, you guys? We have a crazy video today. So, I know why you guys are here. That box logo, that COVID-19 Supreme box logo is insane. Before we get into that, before I get into my box setups, because I've never done a video like this, I did want to just share you guys my most recent pickups, give you guys a whole idea of what this video will be about. Is I wanted to show you guys the box logo, my thoughts on it, and then from there I want to move on to my bot setups. What bots will I be using? I'm not really going to break down what my delays, proxies, things like that I use. That should be a different video. If you guys are interested in that, let me know down in the comments below. But I just wanted to let you guys know what bots I'm going to be using. I'm actually going to screen capture this other half of the video because I am preparing to make live cop videos for you guys. Live cop videos. Something I've always wanted to do. This is something really different, but I think I'm going to have a blast doing it. And honestly, I need something to wake me up during all these drops. Before we get into that, real quick, just wanted to show you guys a quick unboxing video, unbagging video. Bag number 1. We got 2 Supreme stickers. And that's it. We've got the Supreme Motion logo hoodie. So fire. It's so crazy, like, the concept of this, like, super simple and just so iconic. So we got the white and we've got the yellow. And honestly, this yellow was like super bright online. It's kind of, I can't even tell. It's almost like in between a mustard yellow. So it has kind of like that darker shade. But it also kind of is like that bright banana yellow, if that makes sense. So it's like a dark banana. That's pretty sick. It's unfortunate. I picked up only mediums in that, and I wear large. So those are just going to be resold. Reason being why I didn't want to bring those up is that we did cop those from this bot right here. I know it's showing way more than 2 checkouts. But that's sometimes how bots are. They have ghost orders, duplicate orders, and that's basically what happened. So I had those checkouts, and I ended up only getting 2 confirmation emails. Still happy with what I got, like Motion logo hoodies, pretty fire. Hopefully we can pick something up this week. You know what? Let's hop onto the computer, and I will show you guys this. All right, you guys. You guys see that right there in front of you? That's the relief tee. It is fire. And it's going to a good cause. Like, it's crazy. This honestly looks like a fake, like, concept tee that somebody made and just, made it as a rumored Takashi Murakami Supreme collab type of tee. But this is what's happening. This is for real. I mean, we all thought that we wouldn't go in a pandemic, and here we are now, and look at this. We've got a box logo that I feel like everybody has been wanting. Everybody has been hoping for some type of collab like this. And this tee is just fire. Like, gotta keep your eyes on the prize, you guys. That's why we have this set up as our background. Okay. Now, do I think this is gonna resell? Hell yeah, it is. How much do I think it will be? I personally think, my guess, I'm gonna just throw it out there, maybe around $500-$600. Like, think of all the teas that you can get with this one tee. But yeah, the crazy Let me know what you guys think about this. Do you guys think it's something that you guys are going to go for? This is basically going to be bot wars on Friday morning. It's going to be who has the best bot. And, you guys already know, though. You guys already know. You guys know what that is. We got cyber. We've got cyber. We've got Soul. We've got NSB. We've got Eve. You guys saw that screenshot. I don't have it pulled up on this computer because it decided to crash on me. But I have my laptop right here, which I'm going to be using as well. Hopefully I'll try and screen record the live cop on that. But we've got some decent bots. I honestly think we might have a chance. Cyber's always hitting. The motion logos didn't do so well. Other drops, it's been pretty good. So we'll see how it goes. I'm honestly just asking for one tee. Just one personal tee. I will wear it during the unboxing video. Wait for that video. I promise you guys, we getting one. If you guys are botting, let me know what bots you guys are using. I just wanted to share this quick video, letting you guys know that we are doing live cop videos from now on. I will try and record myself every time I'm botting. I want to share with you guys my personal experience botting. This is something that I'm bringing new to the channel. Hopefully you guys enjoy this journey that we're going to get into. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Join the notification gang. Leave this video a thumbs up. And like I said, comment down below what you guys think about the tee. Are you guys going to be botting? What is your guys' setups? Manually, maybe? Maybe that might honestly be the best choice. Who knows? We'll figure that out Friday morning. I'll see you guys then. Peace out.